Hey everyone, if you've ever felt tired, dehydrated, or just off your game, today's video might be exactly what you need. I've been testing out a unique supplement called Seaonic, and after a couple of weeks of consistent use, I've got a lot to share. Whether you're into fitness, wellness, or just want better energy and focus, stay tuned for a real, honest review. What is Seaonic? Seaonic is a liquid electrolyte supplement sourced straight from the deep ocean. But this isn't your average hydration mix. It's packed with 78 ionic minerals that match your body's natural mineral profile, specifically your blood plasma. Think of it as nature's answer to mineral deficiency. No sugar, no sweeteners, no BS. How does Seaonic work? So here's the science made simple. Your cells need minerals to absorb water and function correctly. Without enough minerals, even drinking lots of water won't help. Seaonic gives your body a full spectrum electrolyte boost that hydrates on a deep cellular level. It works faster and more effectively than just water. Within 10 seconds of taking it, it starts balancing your hydration and mineral levels. Features and benefits of Seaonic. Let me break down some of the most noticeable features and benefits I experienced. Ultra hydration, it hydrates you from the inside out. After long days and workouts, I actually felt refreshed, not just less thirsty. Natural energy boost, no caffeine crash, no jittery feeling, just clean energy that lasted. Mental clarity, I had fewer foggy moments and better focus throughout my workday. Better sleep and recovery, my sleep quality noticeably improved after just a week. No additives. There are literally no additives, no sugar, no synthetic flavors, just clean, ocean-derived minerals. The coolest part, it mimics the exact mineral ratios found in your blood plasma, which means your body absorbs it fast and efficiently. How to use Seaonic. Using it is ridiculously simple. Each sachet contains a pre-measured liquid dose. Just tear, drink, and you're done. You don't have to mix it with water or worry about dosing wrong. You can take it straight or mix with a small amount of water if the taste is too salty for you. Personally, I take mine first thing in the morning and I genuinely feel the difference by midday. Seaonic pros and cons. Let's keep it real. No product is perfect. Here's what stood out for me. Pros? Contains all 78 essential minerals, absorbs faster than traditional supplements, helps with hydration, energy, sleep, and recovery. No sweeteners, additives, or synthetic junk. Vegan, non-GMO, and backed by over 100 years of science. Travel-friendly sachets, super convenient. Cons? Slightly salty taste, not unpleasant, but not tasty either. It's more expensive than typical electrolyte powders. You need to use it consistently to feel full benefits. Price and where to buy Seaonic. Seaonic comes in three main options. 30 sachets, $49.99 for one person. 60 sachets, $42.49 for two people. 120 sachets, $32.49. They also offer subscription plans with discounts and free shipping on orders over $100. You can get it directly from their official website, and it comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free to try. Conclusion of the Seaonic. So here's my final take. If you're someone who's serious about hydration, energy, or just feeling your best, Seaonic is worth trying. It's cleaned, scientifically backed, and genuinely effective. It's not just about drinking water anymore, it's about making sure your body can use that water. And Seaonic helps make that happen. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Seaonic or have questions about it, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more real product reviews. See you in the next video.